Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to open up my February Stitch Fix box. So it's been about 5 months since I have opened my last Stitch Fix box on this channel, but I'm really excited today and I want to go ahead and share this box with you. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to help you to choose up to 8 items to put into your box, and those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. So a couple of weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped to you, you will get a fixed preview, and that fixed preview will have about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want to keep anything. And like I said before, you can choose up to 8 items to have put into your box. So for this box, I did choose a pair of light wash denim jeans, and I also chose a cardigan and a couple of comfy, cozy items to put into this box. So we're gonna open it up and see what I got. Right on top is a prepaid mailer envelope bag. This bag is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you can put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. I also have my price invoice sheet and my note from my stylist, and so I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Happy Fix Day. It's always such a pleasure to style you, and I'm so glad you found some fantastic pieces in your Fix preview for your chilly winter in North Carolina. The teal green Letty and Me open front duster cardigan is a versatile layering piece that will keep you cozy while adding a pop of color to your outfits. Pair it with the Can lighter wash jeans for a polished yet casual look. The purple Staccato sweater and navy Market and Spruce cozy brush knit top are perfect choices for staying stylishly snug this season. To complete your outfits, the black Mia booties are a chic addition that can easily transition from casual days to workwear. I'd love to hear how these pieces work for you and if there's anything specific you'd like to see in your next fix. Stay warm and enjoy styling these pieces." And so my stylist is Stacy, and I've had her for quite a while now. And so as mentioned in my note, I do have a pair of booties that I selected from my Fix preview, and I've been looking for a pair of black lower heeled booties, and I think these might work. They are by Mia, the Elijah Hill bootie in black. And here's what that looks like. It has probably about a 2-inch heel, zipper on the inside, kind of a rounded pointed toe. Does have like the little strappy buckle detail on the side, and it doesn't come up too high. So I think those might be perfect for what I'm looking for. And here's a look at my bundle, the lighter wash jeans, the cardigan, the sweater, and the knit top. So let's check them out. And so the first item in my bundle is by Market and Spruce, the Shelly V-neck cozy brush knit top in navy. And here's what that looks like. It's a navy blue brush knit top that's super soft. I like to get a few casual items during this time of year because I am a teacher and I dress up a lot, but it's nice to have some comfy, cozy items that you can wear on the weekends. It does have that heathered navy look, and it does have thumb holes, which are kind of nice to have when it's cold outside. And so this is not a super heavy item, so I think it'll be great for this time of year, but also to transition into the spring months. So I like that. The next item is a thicker sweater by Pink Clover. It is the Fifer long sleeve sweater in purple. And our temperatures in North Carolina have been a lot colder than we're used to, and so I thought this sweater might be a good addition to my wardrobe. And so here's what that looks like. Just has a rounded neckline. It does have like kind of a blend of purple and white. It does have a ribbing texture to it. It does have just a straight bottom, and it is stretchy. This is a little bit of a thicker sweater, so I do think it'll be perfect for these cold temperatures that we are expected to have this week. And I really love this color. The next item is the cardigan, and it's by Letty and Me, the Tiago open front duster cardigan in teal green. And I don't know what it is, but there's something about teal green that I love this time of year, and I thought the color of this cardigan was really pretty. And so here's this cardigan. You can see the really pretty teal green color. It does have some like texture to it. Has a cuffed sleeve, pockets on both sides, and it does come straight down in the front. As a teacher, I wear a lot of cardigans to school, so this will be the perfect layering piece over some of my blouses. And then lastly, I have a pair of jeans by Can, which I've never tried Can. So these are the Saanvi High Rise Slim Bootcut Jean in Indigo. And here they are. And like I said, I was looking for a pair of lighter wash jeans, kind of like a medium to light wash. I do love the double button detail. It does feel like it has some stretch in it. It has some fading down the thigh. And a bootcut jean is my preferred style of jean. So no distressing, so we'll see what I think about these jeans. All right, guys, I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first 3 items. I have on the top by Market and Spruce. I have on the Can jeans, and I also have on the Booties by Mia. So let's start with the top. So the top has a soft V-neck here. This is a brush knit top. It is navy, and it has like that heathered look to it. I do like the color. I do like the softness of this top. It does come down, and it's a little bit rounded. Comes up a little bit on the side and is rounded in the back. It's a nice lightweight top for this time of year. It is definitely soft and cozy. It does have the thumb holes. So here it is with the thumb holes. I don't always use these, but I do like them occasionally. So I think this is just a really nice casual top for this time of year. So let's talk about the jeans. They are a very high-waisted jean. They do come up above my belly button. My belly button is like down here, and it's up above that. It is light wash. I do like that it comes up high like it does because it kind of sucks everything in. Has plenty of stretch. I don't know much about the Can brand though. The length is really good. It's a 33-inch inseam, so that works for me. So does anybody have any experience with the Can brand? Let me know what you think about this brand. They feel really comfortable, and I think they feel the need that I have for a medium to light wash jean. So you guys tell me what you think. So here's an up-close look of those booties again. They are comfortable. They are like the faux leather. I do like the shorter stacked heels. Sometimes when you get booties, they have like a really giant heel. And with my height, I don't want an extra tall booty. So I think this heel height would be good for me. I do think they are dressy enough to dress up, and then you could also wear them with jeans and they would look cute too. So you guys tell me what you think about these. Like I said, they are comfortable and they fit well. All right, guys, I'm gonna put that cardigan over top of this knit top. I would not wear the two together, but for the sake of the try on, I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this cardigan by Letty and Me, and I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. Here's an up close of the texture of the cardigan. It does have the ribbed cuff. It does have like the straight open front here. Pockets. And the length is a little bit longer, not super long. They called it a duster. I think the texture of this cardigan is really pretty. Definitely something that I could see putting over top of some of my blouses for work. So what do you guys think about this cardigan? All right, guys, I'm going to try on the last item, which is that sweater, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last item, and this is the sweater by Pink Clover. I really do love this purple color for this time of year. I love how it's a mixture of purple and white. The rounded neck does come up a little bit, but not too high. The sleeve length is good for me. I think that pairs nicely with the light wash jeans. The hem does come straight around. And I do think this sweater would keep you very warm. So what do you guys think about this sweater? I really like this color. All right, I'm gonna change. I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about the prices. And overall, I think this was a really good fix for me. I really like all of the colors that were in this box. And I really do think that the Fix Preview has been a game changer for Stitch Fix, because you can go in and you can select items that you are interested in buying. And you can even choose the number of items that you want to have, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far, I've only done up to 5, but we'll see. All right, guys, the first item on my list is the Mia Elijah Hill Bootie in black, and the cost of these is $79. However, when I looked online, these have been marked down to $50.97, and I think that's an excellent price for these booties. I do think I'm going to be keeping these because I've been looking for a black bootie with a shorter heel. So this was a good pick for me. So the next item on the list is by Staccato, the Fifer long sleeve sweater in purple, and the cost of this item is $49. Staccato is also pink clover. So I do love this sweater. I love the color. It is a little bit of a heavier weight, so it's not something I'll wear a lot, but I do know I'll get some use out of it with the colder temperatures that we're going to be having this upcoming week, so I can't wait to wear this. So the next item is by LETY and Me, the Tiago open front duster cardigan in teal green, and the cost of that item is $49. So I really love this teal green color. I love the texture in this cardigan. I think it's really pretty. I do think it's a great item to dress up or dress down. And as a teacher, I get a lot of use out of cardigans, so this is definitely a keeper for me. The next item is by Market and Spruce. It is a Shelly V-neck cozy brush knit top in navy, and the cost of this one is $39. I do like the brush knit fabric. So some people don't like this fabric because they say it peels, but I wash it inside out and in a laundry bag, and I don't have a lot of problem with the peeling, so I don't have any issues with brush knit. I do think it's lightweight, but still warm enough for this time of year. So I could take or leave the thumb holes, but I do think it's a cute little casual top. All right, guys, the last item on my list is by Can, the Saanvi high-rise slim bootcut jean in indigo, and the cost of these is $60. I do like the light wash. I do like the double button detail at the top and how high-rise it was. I do think it fits a need in my closet, so I do think I'm going to be keeping these. Tell me what you think about the Can brand of jean. I've never had any experience with them. All right, guys, so my stylist pick subtotal was $276. If I buy all the items, which is 5 items, I get that 25% discount, which will take off $69, leaving me with an order subtotal of $207. So shipping is free. So going back to the boots, they do have a discount of about $29. So my final total is going to be about $180, which I think is a great deal for a pair of booties, jeans, and 3 tops. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you think I should keep all 5 items from this box? I do think I'm leaning towards doing that because it's a good deal. So for those of you who've never tried Stitch Fix, I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. If you click on that referral link, it's going to give you $25, which would waive your styling fee, which means you could get a box for free, and then you can have it shipped to you, try it on in the comfort of your own home, and then decide what you like and what you don't like. What I love about Stitch Fix is that you only pay for what you keep. So if you only keep 1 item and you ship the rest back, you're only paying for what you keep. That $25 would apply to whatever you keep. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.